Hey everyone, I'm Jason Gillette. Today I am going to show you how to look up window stickers for vehicles. Maybe it's something you own, maybe it's something you're looking at purchasing, maybe you work at a dealership and you're just trying to figure out exactly what specs a customer is trading a vehicle in on. There's a lot of reasons why you might want to look up a window sticker, maybe even for insurance reasons. Now, this isn't the be-all, end-all of window stickers, as there are some date ranges that it only qualifies for, but essentially it's pretty awesome. You just go to this website, and I will put a link in the description below, windowstickerlookup.com. Then you go down and you select what you are looking for. In this case, I happen to have a 2020 Chevrolet 1500 Silverado with the VIN. So you come down to this menu and you can look and see all the different makes, and it tells you what years. So if it's a BMW, it has to be 2019 or newer. There is an asterisk there, as well as there might be some high performance models or something that it may not trigger, but it's pretty good. It does most of them overall. Again, you just go down and select this from the list. So you need to know the year and the make that you're trying to do. And then you put the VIN in. And then again, we just click See My Sticker. When we click that, a new window is going to pop up, and bam, look at that. The window sticker, this is showing us the brand, exactly what it is, the exact name of the color, the engine, the transmission, and then most importantly, all of the standard features and the optional packages and what they cost. And this is just so golden. I love it. This happens to be a Canadian window sticker, but you can do an American one as well. And this one is showing you also the warranty packages that come right from the go, which is also really handy to know. So shows you the fuel consumption energy guide. Again, this is a Canadian window sticker, but you could do it for an American one. Yeah, great information. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video, you guys. Hopefully that's helpful to you. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. As always, do me a huge favor and click subscribe to this channel. Go ahead and hit a like on this video. And if you want to see more videos like this, hit that bell icon and you'll be notified every time I make a video. Thanks everyone, and have a great day.